Good evening, guys. This is Shankla. Welcome back to another video. Today's topic is interesting. Today we'll be discussing about recession. Every economist in the country, in the world, globally, they're predicting that the world will slip into recession in 2023. Several countries are on the brink of recession. For example, UK. UK's GDP has been contracted. Bank of America is estimating that the USA will slip into recession in the first quarter of 2023. This is a serious topic, guys. The world is going to face economic depression, a biggest recession of all time in just coming year. 2023 will be difficult. Now we can say that the COVID is also getting into action. With COVID and recession, it will be a great depression for the people of this world. Okay, so let's talk about what top CEOs. 95% of the top CEOs of top companies, they are also expecting or estimating that the 2023 will be a huge recession year for the world globally. Okay, you must be wondering, Shashank, what is recession? You are talking about recession, what exactly it is? I don't know. We don't know about recession. So recession is extended periods of production decline that can affect the large portion of the economy. That is recession. And how it starts? It starts when the expenditure of the consumers starts to decline. It reaches this peak and now it starts to decline. There is a loss of production. Now people are not spending anything. If they are not spending, then the production will decline. When the production will decline, the cash flow will collapse. And when the cash flow collapses, the economy is in danger, and then the situation comes of recession. Okay, so now we'll talk about what are the causes of this recession. The causes are simple. COVID-19 pandemic, it was the starting of the recession, but most of the economies of the world, they have recovered. Now again the pandemic is coming, not pandemic but the new variant of coronavirus is now coming. Second reason is your Russia Ukraine war. It's been now 10 months since the war has been started. Now it's still going on, and now the Putin is saying that we'll drop a nuclear bomb on America that could lead to the start of the World War III, and it don't have to say anything, will be disastrous for the humanity, for this world. Okay, then what could be the reason? Russia and Ukraine, how it leads to the recession. First thing, Russia is one of the major countries in OPEC. It is having the second most oil reserve, most exporting countries in the world. And when it comes to Ukraine, Ukraine is also in number fourth in terms of wheat export. It constitutes of 30% of the total wheat that we have export related to wheat exports. It is also hampered. So basically, due to this war, various sanctions are there on various accusations. Various sanctions are there on Russia to avoid the global economy. And Ukraine, after getting attacked by Russia, it's been completely separated from the world. There is no connection, there is no export and import taking place between two countries. Okay, so and what are the consequences of it? Because now what is the present situation? What is the present situation? The present situation is inflation. Inflation is increasing like anything. In UK, the inflation is all-time high of 11.1%. And when it comes to USA, the inflation is also all-time high of 9.1%. It's like crazy. So to curb the inflation, the Federal Reserve, Central Federal Reserve of USA, they're increasing the rates, and because of that, there's job losses. The people, they don't have money to spend. Their interest rates are increasing. That is furthermore, devastating. People are not spending now, and after increasing the rates, it would be really difficult for them to spend even more. Job losses, COVID-19 pandemic, inflation, so all these reasons, because of that interest rates, one more thing is happening. Because of the interest rate, the value of dollar is increasing globally. In the global market, value of dollar is increasing. When the value of dollar is increasing, it is difficult for other countries to trade with America, with trade with on dollars with other countries. So this hampers the import export, this trading culture between countries, because the universal currency is dollar and the value of dollar is increasing. Then difficult for the poor countries to trade in dollars. So that is the reason. So many banks, big banks, economics, and top CEOs of the companies, they're expecting 2023 will be a disastrous year. Recession is coming now, the corona is coming into action. So a lot of uncertainties, lot of factors to be fearful about, to be, taking into serious discussion. The government should take actions to curb the following recession. When it comes to India, India is now stable. The share market is started to crash. I don't know, maybe this leads to the recession, whatever. But people are taking out the money from share market and investing in bank because that is more safe. That's why the market is crashing. So that's all about recession, how it starts, what is the present scenario, what are the top companies and top people saying about recession, and how it can affect the present situation of the people. Okay, this is it. This is Shank Lal signing off. See you tomorrow with another topic of Speak Daily. Till that time, Hare Krishna. Love you and bye bye.